Why was he toxic?
Um, um, I don't know. I mean, a lot of things happened, and he just didn't wanted us to be public, and I wanted it because for the longest years in my school life, I was trolled and badly trolled, and that was the moment when I finally thought that somebody is kind of really liking me, and for him, I was just a box of affection, and I don't know. I mean, a lot of things happened. A lot of things happened. Um, he just बेसिकली वो मुझे कुछ भी नहीं बताता था, मुझे सिर्फ बहुत जाने मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू, बट आई जेन्युइनली वांटेड टू नो हिम, एंड आई डोंट नो, वी वर सो मच इन लव, बट brains were constantly fighting. I had anxiety, he had bipolar disorder, so things just didn't go the way they were supposed to, and मतलब बहुत कोशिश करी, एंड इट वाज नॉट अस, इट वाज अ मेंटल इलनेस, एंड जब दो लोग ऐसे मेंटली इल साथ में होते हैं, सो नथिंग रियली गोज राइट, सो आई डोंट नो, it just didn't go how we wanted it to, and it was not just toxic for me, maybe it was for him as well. It was mutually toxic, I'd say, I think.
Who are your better friends?
uh, Better friends, बचपन में आई थिंक आई हैड लेस गर्ल फ्रेंड्स, बट गाइस फ्रेंड्स भी कम थे, मतलब फ्रेंड्स ही कम, मतलब इतना क्लोज तो कोई भी नहीं था, एंड आई डोंट नो, मतलब मेरे लिए ना किसी भी जेंडर से कनेक्ट करना, मतलब दोनों, मतलब सारे जेंडर से कनेक्ट करना मुश्किल हो जाता है, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो, बट लेटली आई हैव रियलाइज दैट फीमेल फ्रेंड्स होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, एंड आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन इट, but then every time I had a male best friend, we just ended up dating somehow, and our friendship fell apart, and लड़कियों के साथ so even if I liked them, so they were like straight and shit, so क्या ही कर सकते हैं.
Do you want to date a girl?
I am bisexual.
Have you ever dated a girl?
No, because I've been rejected many a times.
How did you realize that you are bisexual?
रियलाइज़ क्या करना था इसमें, मतलब अगर बचपन से आपको पता है आपको लड़के पसंद है, तो आपको लड़कियाँ भी पसंद है, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता था ये सिलेक्टेड होता है, मुझे लगा सबको लड़कियाँ पसंद है.
लड़कियां तो मुझे भी पसंद है, बट उस सेंस में
उसी सेंस में, मतलब मुझे नहीं पता था, आई लाइक द गर्ल्स एंड गाइज दी सेम वे, मतलब आफ्टर अ वाइल आई फेल्ट हेट्रोनॉर्मेटिव थिंग्स जस्ट टुक ओवर, मतलब देखो, मतलब मेरे लिए लड़कियां भी, सो बेसिकली व्हाट हैपेंड, आई रियली लाइक गर्ल्स, बट इट वाज फॉरबिडन टू डेट गर्ल्स, सो आई जस्ट वुड नॉट date girls. I would just stay away, and I would just suppress my feelings so much that at the end of the day I would just start hating myself and shit like that, so fuck it.
how does it feel like people still not accepting it? Did you feel hurt?
It didn't matter, मतलब we live in a society where people don't accept shit and all, so अगर वो नहीं भी करेंगे तो ऐसे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ना चाहिए था. आई वॉज पहले से ही प्रिपेयर्ड दैट नो बडी इज़ गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट इट एंड ऑल, सो आई वॉज ओके विद इट सम हाउ, एंड फ़र्क उनसे पड़ता है ना जो आपके क्लोज होते हैं. अब जब जो क्लोज नहीं है तो मतलब वो कांड मरा है.
When did you tell you to your friends?
What?
When did you tell it to your friends?
So I came out to them when I was like 13 or something, and then I was like, I like girls and all, and eventually all my friends got distant, and you know, so girls would say, actually I'm not a lesbian, and then I would say, you're not even my type, fuck it. So I mean, I just want, agar I don't know, I feel like holding grudges. I feel like holding grudges because अगर वो लोग थोड़े से भी ऐसे इमोशनली इंटेलिजेंट होते तो शायद मेरा बचपन इतना डिस्टॉर्टेड नहीं होता. I don't know. I mean, I would blame, because it's easy for me. I would blame my parents. I would blame my relatives, society, and everybody, because it's easy for me. I would want to hold grudges. मेरे साथ बुरा हुआ तुम्हारे साथ भी होगा, because I don't know. Fuck it. I don't know. I just want. See, there's no end to it. I mean, yeah.
Do you think bisexuals are still accepted, but it's more difficult for gays and lesbians?
No, it's the other way around actually. So lesbians like girls, gays like guys, उनका sorted है. But for people like us, it was just people don't understand it. Even in my you know, LGBTQ community, it's very prevalent. That biphobia is very prevalent as such. That they say that we are very horny, sex addicts, freaks, and you know, stuff like that. That you're doing it for attention, ek choose kar lo and all stuff. But you know, we don't do it intentionally, वो naturally है. And I don't have enough patience left कि अब मैं जा के you know, एक एक को सबको समझाऊँ कि नहीं and all. I'm like, fuck it. अभी it's little difficult, but I'm so glad people are. अभी I think ये trend बन चुका है, so more and more people are coming up, and you know, so yeah.
Have you ever had sex?
Okay, so I'm 19, so that's kind of obvious. Maybe, and maybe it was just stupid. I mean, okay, yeah, I have it, I had it, I don't know. I tried to do it, but I'm not sure if it was sex or not. It was my 18th birthday last year, and I went to my boyfriend's place, and you know, we thought that we'll have sex and all, but I'm not sure we did it because we didn't know how to do it. And I mean, just imagine दो नंगे लोग 4 घंटे तक एक दूसरे के ऊपर चिल्लाए जा रहे थे. We just constantly kept yelling at each other, but then, and that guy was so dumb, and he said कि हमारा तो इतना easy से हो जाता है और तुम लोगों की body कितनी complex है and all. But then I was like, dude, shut up, listen to what I'm saying, okay, and that's it. कि तो हम जब नहीं हो रहा था, so he said मैंने तो बहुत पढ़ाई करी है and all, and I was like, fuck, पढ़ाई क्यों करी बहनचोद, मुझे सुन ले बस. And then I don't know, he was just so obsessed that he was good in bed, and I don't know, I mean, हुआ नहीं हुआ, I just think I'm better off myself. And पता नहीं भैंसोस फालतू में फीमेल अनाटमी को ना इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स कर दिया, इतना तो है भी नहीं. एंड या आई मीन, आई थिंक आई जस्ट नीड टू एक्सप्लोर इट, you know, in a better way, so that I didn't had orgasm at all, and that guy thought that it was the best day ever, yippee. And it wasn't. So, you know, I mean, yeah, so it was just like we were yelling, and it बहुत comedy हो गया था. I mean, somebody got hard, and I was just fist bombing him and stuff. So yeah, but then that was it, I guess.
Cut.